Hi, in this video you will see Apsona Shop Admin's product import wizard for importing and updating product records. Apsona Shop Admin can be used by Zencart and OS Commerce users as well. Here I'm in my Zencart categories page and I'd like to add a few more categories and products to my Zencart. I go to Shop Admin and in the products page I see that I have 123 products already. And to add new products, I click on Tools and select the Import Update option. Here the import wizard opens up where I can start the imports. Apsona Shop Admin allows you to import products in one of 4 different modes. If you choose the Reject option for importing products, new records in the CSV data are added to the database as new, and duplicate records are marked as errors and are rejected. The rejects are based on the same value of the model column in the CSV data and are flagged as errors. If you choose the Update the Database option for the import, here new records in the CSV data are added to the database, and duplicate records are used to update the corresponding database records. Here Shop Admin checks for multiple occurrences of the same value in the model column of the CSV data and flags such occurrences as errors. If you choose the Add No Checking option for import, all records here are treated as new and no duplicate checking is done. If you choose to update existing data records, here you do not need to add new records, but you can update new values for a set of fields for existing records. The lookup here is by product ID or by model. So let's import a few new records. And for the data source, you can copy and paste data in the box below or choose an existing CSV file. I will be copying and pasting data, and I will be choosing the upsert or update the database mode for this import. I go to my CSV file. Oops, this is my OS Commerce application where I will be doing the same import a little later. And I go to my CSV file and I copy the data and go back to Shop Admin and paste the data in this box. The first row has field names and the field separator is tab, so I click tab and I select next. And here I'm in step 2 of my import, where I see that the fields have been matched with the corresponding fields in Shop Admin. Here you can choose to override the system choices of matching. For example, if you want to change to any other field, you can by clicking the arrow next to each field. You can also choose the Do Not Import option to omit some columns if you do not want them imported. So I will just do a quick check and my fields have been matched, and I click next to go to the final step. My data is being validated and I see that I have data errors in my data. A quick look, I have all these data errors in this data. Most of them say that it is not a valid category, and I think I know why I have such a large set here. I close my data errors box. I click the back button and I'm in step 1 again. And here I see that I have not checked the Create Missing Categories box. As most categories in my data are new, I have to click the Create Missing Categories checkbox. And now I go back to step 2 again by clicking the next button. Here the fields have been matched as before, and I click on next again. My data is being validated. I still have one error in row 88 column 4, so I click on the error message and the error pops up here. I see there is a typo and I can fix that right here by clicking the the typo and I select the right option. It was Canon, the O was missing, and now that has been corrected. Let me close my error box and click next again. So you saw how inline editing is possible and we could fix the error immediately. And here I am in my final step after data validation. I have a total of 119 records. 87 are new, there are 32 updates and 0 regex, and 17 new categories are going to be created. So I click on import and done, and I'm back to the products table and shop admin. I have 87 new records, so it was 123, so now it has become 210. You will only see the increase of new records here. And let's go to the filter list here, and when I click the filter drop down, I see that a new filter has been automatically created. That is, it says product imports the date and the time, and here, so this is the name of the filter, and by though all are called the same name, product imports, you can see the date and time of when these imports were done. So you can invoke this filter anytime in the future. So if you invoke this filter, you will see the 87 new records which have been created. And in case there has been some mistake and you would like to delete all the product records, all you have to do is click on delete all, and all the 87 records can be deleted. But I'm quite happy with this import. I click cancel, and now I go back to my Zencart application and refresh the page, and here I see the new categories which have been created with the subcategories: bedding, head comforters, and the subcategories as well. So that's how easy it is to import categories and products on the fly with Apsona Shop Admin and seeing them instantly in Zencart. Thank you for watching, and we welcome all your feedback.